Thank you so much, Nikhil sir, for giving me this opportunity to share this short video for students who are appearing for the CMA Foundation examinations. Hello everyone, I am Ritu Agrawal and I am a qualified cost accountant. Presently I am working in PwC as a GST analyst, and today I am here to guide you that how to prepare for the CMA Foundation examinations and how to plan your study accordingly for your exams. And this video is helpful for students who are appearing for June 2019 and for students who are appearing for December 19 as well. Basically, this is not specifically for students who are going to appear in June 19. So I hope this video is going to help both of them. So let's get started. Now let's start how to prepare for CMA Foundation examinations. In the CMA Foundation exam, there are 4 subjects. One is accounts, law, economics and statistics and maths. Statistics consist of 60 marks, maths consist of 40 marks. And in this subject, economics and management both comprise of 50-50 marks. Now friends, before you start preparing for these respective subjects, you should know the approach following which we will prepare for the subjects. In the accounts, the basic focus on the concept with reasoning. I hope this is clear to you. We will prepare from the study material. All the questions in the examination comes from study material only, and we'll prepare the MCQ questions. Then we'll prepare from the MTP. Along with that, we'll complete our theory from the study material. In the law, what we'll need to do is we need to understand the concept, plus you have to learn the story behind the case study. You don't need to learn the name of the case study because there are so many of the case studies and it is not possible for you to learn each and every case study. But yes, you can probably learn the story behind that case study. Again, we'll prepare the same from study material and practice from MTP. In the economics and stats, concept with practical linking. You have to link the concept with the practical questions as well. We'll prepare the same with the study material. And in statistics and maths, the formula application and again the concept. So these are our 4 subjects we have to prepare. We are here. How much time left? We have entire Jan, February, March, April, May. In June 2nd week, 2019, foundation exams are held. So friends, along with the coachings you usually join to cover your course, that 4 subject, what you need to do, जब आपकी कोचिंग चल रही है, what you will do is, along with your coaching, start maintaining a practice of revision you have done in your classes, so that accordingly you can cover your course and you are able to understand your strength and your weaknesses. So now we'll make a study plan. If I consider this time is the preparation time, in 3 months complete your coachings and along with the same self study is equal important. Now, after completing your coachings, what you all you need to do is you have to plan each subject is of 100 marks. To clear in each subject, you need at least 40 marks and $200 marks in total to qualify. One more thing, out of that 100 marks, usually 60% paper is MCQ, true false and fill-ups. 40% is subjective. Now, don't you think it's so easy to qualify? I think पास होने के लिए तो आप लोगों को ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. All you need to do is, after completing your entire course, now shift your focus on the concept so that you will be able to cover this area. अगर आप लोगों ने अपने MCQ पार्ट को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया तो nobody can beat you and nobody can fail you in any of the subjects. Now what you need to do after this? After March, you have your April, you have your May. What you do? Just start practicing the questions in the study material. You have to do each and every illustration from the study material and you have to do all the MCQs there in the study material so that you will be able to solve the MCQ in the examination. Now, after doing that MCQs, go to the institute website and there is this column for the students and there you can download the past papers and the MTPs and start practicing that papers so that you will be able to solve the paper in less time in your examination. And the most important thing, you have to plan to write your paper before you go to appear in the examination. So what you need to do is you have to bifurcate your time. What I'm trying to say is, first of all, prepare for 60 marks. Then 40 marks. It is not possible for everyone to complete the entire 100% course. But yes, you can complete 80% efficiently. So, after completing all your coachings, what you need to do is, you have to prepare and do your ABC analysis. हर किसी को अपनी स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस का पता होता है. सपोज you have 2 months. Do one thing, plan your studies. लॉ टेन डेज। मैं लॉ को 10 डेज इसलिए देती हूँ क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू मी लॉ इज नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी। तो आई प्रिज्यूम कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हो सकते हैं जिनके लिए लॉ एक डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट हो, तो कंसीडरिंग दैट फैक्ट मैं लॉ को 10 डेज दूंगी। उसके बाद एज यू ऑल नो अकाउंट्स एक दिन में नहीं होता है, तो मैं अकाउंट्स को भी 10 डेज देती हूँ। नाउ what left? Economics and management studies. Management studies and economics is not that difficult. Management studies, तो इसको हम देते हैं 7 days are enough. Statistics and इसको भी हम 10 days दे देते हैं। कितने दिन हो गए? 37 डेज। हमने कहां से स्टार्ट किया था? वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल आवर कोचिंग्स इन मार्च एंड अप्रैल में। आई हैव इंटायर अप्रैल एंड इंटायर मे। नाउ दिस इज माय फाइनल रिवीजन। आई मस्ट टेल यू बिफोर एग्जाम्स, अगर आपने एक बारी अपने कोर्स को अच्छे से रिवाइज नहीं किया और उसके बिना आप अपने एग्जाम्स में अपेयर होने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, देन यू आर गोइंग टू डू अ ब्लंडर। 37 days. How many days left? I am presuming I have 60 minus 37. 23 days. C. Now, अब जरूरी नहीं है कि इन सारे डेज में आपका ये सारा कोर्स खत्म हो ही जाए। कुछ ऐसे एरियाज हो सकते हैं जो इस सब्जेक्ट में अभी भी आपके स्किप हो गए हो, तो फॉर दैट मैटर आप फर्दर इन डेज में से कुछ डेज उनको कंप्लीट करने में यूज कर सकते हैं। And you have to, on the daily basis, I would suggest, what my personal suggestion is, on daily basis start reading the concepts of law and MCQ. You have to do the MTP and the past papers. In these last 20 days, you have to do these things. Formula revision, and you have to do this exercise for each subject, and then you can plan to sit for your exams. And I hope this will help you to appear and effectively plan your studies. If you need any help in a particular subject, then please ask me, basis which I'll modulate the plan, or you can itself modulate your plan according to you. In this 40 marks, when you complete this 60 marks, this is nothing but brief of concept and some practical questions. I hope, friends, this video is helpful for you, and please comment if you need to know something more about the CMA Foundation examinations, and accordingly I'll make the video for you. Thank you so much.